This is going to be a reading for almost personal, all sign collective, all that you need to know about a situation. This is going to be for all signs, okay? This is not for any sign specific. This reading may or may not resonate with you. If it does, kindly hit the like button. So let's start. I hope you guys are doing well. First card we have for you is the Strength in the reverse, and King of Swords, which speaks about you lacking strength to be holding on to this connection. Okay, with Two of Pentacles for a quite a long time, you've been juggling whether you should stay or leave or move forward or block them. You have multiple questions that are popping up. Okay, but I believe at this very current moment, many of you guys do not have the strength necessary to move forward in this connection. Okay, so let's start now. Again, we have the King of Swords, which speaks about you trying to be as practical, as straightforward as possible. You are not very much wanting to be connected to your emotions. With the Sun in the reverse, this person has given you more pain than happiness recently. Top card we have is Strength. Again, many of you guys could be resisting the temptation to say a lot of shit. Like, you guys are literally pissed off and you wish to say a lot of things. You wish to get all that you have in your mind and your heart out, but then you resist it. Then you want to not get into any sort of conflict or drama. Okay, many of us want to see the person who hurts us suffer, but that is not needed. From my own personal experience, whenever I get negative or whenever I get bitter, it's bad for me, not for the other person. I end up getting angry and unnecessarily want the other person to go through shit so that I feel validated or I feel good that karma is being served. No, darling, you just need to stay focused on your life, not what's happening with the other person. If someone has done wrong to you, they will suffer, but when they'll suffer we do not know, but that doesn't mean you fucking waste your time. Okay, so let's start. In terms of what else is to come for you, with Six of Pentacles, many of you, I believe, are trying very hard to find that balance in life. Okay, you want to clear the confusion. You want to hold on to something that will last, and like you are literally wanting to hold on to yourself more than anything else. I feel many of you guys are focused on your work life at this time, and you just want to distract yourself from this person. So you'd rather put in your 100% in your work life. Okay, top card we have is World. Many of you guys also want to end something in your life. I won't necessarily say this relationship or something about your love life or whatever. No, I won't say that. You want to end something, you know it. I won't want to name it out. Okay, in terms of what else do we see coming? With Two of Swords, you'll be confused for the next couple of days, but that's fine. Okay, regardless of what sign you are, sometimes indecision is part of our life, and we need to just accept it. There's no harm in being indecisive. You don't have to be powerful and strong all fucking ways. Okay, you can be your own fine self. Some days weak, some days strong, some days numb, and that's completely fine. Okay, in terms of your relationship, what's to come? The Moon card, lots of things are unknown about this connection, about this person. Many of you guys have tried very hard to stay away from them. With the Wheel of Fortune, I believe whatever is meant to come your way will come your way, even if you're resisting it. If this person is supposed to come back in your life, they will come. But that doesn't mean you stop your life from for them, or you try to distract yourself just getting into unnecessary relationships of whatever sexual relationship. It is not needed. Just give yourself more time. Breathe, meditate, and answers are gonna come. Okay. In terms of what else is coming, with Eight of Pentacles, if you guys are working hard on your finances, your business, I see that working out for you. You guys are a bit negative about something, you don't have to be. Okay, things are going to work well. Okay, if you guys are waiting for a call or an answer from a person besides this asshole, you're going to get that call. Okay, in terms of your person, what are they up to? This person is trying to stay single, this person is trying to stay away. When I mean single, I do not mean like stay away from you. They are trying to enjoy their own self, their own freedom, their own energy. This person is completely selfish or have become selfish lately. Okay, top card we have is judgment. Darling, I still believe that your person needs to get single from someone before they come to you. Okay, there was some in some sort of situationship. I do not think that a person was completely single and they were resisting you or staying away from you. I definitely feel like they were giving the attention to someone and they have to cut those loose ends. Okay, in terms of how to think about you now. Just a second. How do they think about you now? This person is somewhat confused about you. Okay, they want answers. They could have been stalking you. Many of them could have reached out as well. Some of you guys might have heard from this person. Okay, not all, but some of you. With devil in the reverse, even they are fearful of the addiction that is you. Okay, so I would say that they are trying to stay emotionally independent. Now you have to understand the reading. This is just because I say they are trying to stay single doesn't mean they are trying to stay away from you or they have got away from you. They are trying to do that. I'm trying to be rich, but am I rich? That is a question, right? So they are trying to stay single, they are trying to stay away, but are they being able to? No. Okay, I see this person in terms of energy, they want answers. Okay, like it's like you are rejecting them or you are resisting them or you're trying to stay away from them, and they're that's really bothering them and they're wanting some sort of answers. Okay, in terms of their energy wise, this person is closed off. They are not really giving you any sort of idea or any sort of closure. This person has been emotionally distant for some time. For some of you, this person has got even physically distant, like they are living at some distance, long distance. If it's not that, then this person is trying their level best to not get emotionally involved with you. Okay, they have their walls up. Okay, in terms of what do they have in mind right now? Crazy. Why is the 10 of cups here? It's like they do want forever, but they are just not sure if right now is the right time for them to do that. Okay, they do consider you something that is a good option for them. Do not try to get triggered. When I mean option, I mean the option. Okay, for some of you, this person feels stuck to you, and whenever it comes to marriages, this person tries to stay away. But if it is for marriage and if they are wanting marriage, then I believe they look at you as the right option. They look forward to you. That's what I'm trying to say. But if your person is trying to stay away from marriages, relationships, then that could be one of the reasons why they stay away from you. Okay, in terms of your feelings this time. Again, darling, with Six of Swords, this person is forcing themselves to not get emotionally involved. Okay, in terms of their heart space. Heart space as well, this person, mind you, even if they have feelings, they are not accepting it. They are not wanting to get involved with it. They are not trying to feel those feelings, like literally dive deep into those feelings. They are rather resisting it or staying away from it. Okay, I still believe even after having all those feelings for you, this person is still gonna behave like they've got nothing. Okay, in terms of their headspace, lots of swords here, so I see a lot of like careless energy, insensitive. With temperance card, this person does want to be on good terms with you, however. Okay, so if you guys end up talking, you guys will be able to sort some sort of differences. Okay, if you guys end up having a conversation or messaging each other, then this person will try in some which terms to possibly end some conflict with you. That is something I see. Okay, in terms of intention, what are they wanting right now? I believe, darling, if you guys have been very much away from them and you guys are resisting them, then they'll try their level best to possibly manifest you back in their life. If you've been very much focused on distancing yourself or moving on from them or just killing the bond, cutting the bond, then this person will try their level best. Seven of Wands and Magician to manifest you back. Okay, in terms of what are they wanting, in terms of relationship, are they wanting something long term, short term, sexual? What is it they want right now? See, again, I'm getting the same energy. This person is looking forward to you, but they are not ready to promise you anything. It's still going to be the same sort of energy where this person comes by, tries to get your attention, tries to be a little emotionally invested, and then all of a sudden they'll act their old ways again. Okay, with Five of Cups, this person does feel sorry. This person does miss you, but are they changing their ways? Not really. Okay, with Six of Wands, why is this person back? They are back because they could not do without your attention. They tried their level best to move on, stay away, just like you've done. You guys have been literally mirroring each other. Okay, we have Nine of Cups in the reverse. Now that you are not around, they feel in a very uncertain way. It's like they're feeling drained that you are not around. Okay, when you were around, they were acting differently, but now that you are not around, they feel empty without you. Okay, that would sound very cheesy to some of you, but that's fine. With Death card, they are willing to do some sort of changes, like few changes here and there, that makes you believe that, oh my god, this person might change. But then and again, this person will go back to their old ways. So what's changing? Nothing much. Why are they back? They could not do without you. Okay, last message we have is Lovers. I know many of you guys would get triggered with this message. Regardless if you're ready for them or not ready for them, I see you being in talking terms with them. If even if you have decided like right now that no, darling, I won't want to talk to them. Sorry, there's some fucking construction work going on in my apartment. I'm really sorry for that. With Queen of Pentacles, this person does care about you. This person does want you in their life, but they are not ready for committing to you or having that relationship that leads to a marriage because they're not ready for marriage. They are not in that space. When someone is still in that fuck boy, fuck girl phase, they are not going to want to possibly let go of everything and settle down, darling. Okay, I've been in that phase like 3 4 years back, but now I'm in a lot balanced state, and you know they are not in the state I am right now. They are the me that was 3 years ago. Okay, so with Page of Cups, this person might come back with some sort of gift or something which is going to make you feel a little better. Okay, with Emperor card, but I do not see them changing much. They're coming again to control you. Okay, so let's take some love messages for you guys. We have distracted, so many of you guys are trying to distract yourself. Second message we have is third party influence that ruined your connection. Last message, I'm jealous of the people around you. Let me pull one more card. Usually I say last and then I pull few more. It's not over, not yet. Okay, so just like I told you, I am not ready. That is the last message. If you guys are wanting them for marriage and all, then darling, you'll have to give them more time. I don't see your person being in that state yet. They might be behaving like they are mature and this and that, but they are not. They are still in that player energy. Okay. So yes, this was your reading. All that you need to know about your person for the next 3 to 4 days. If it connected, resonated, you know what you need to do. Just need to hit that like button, comment, subscribe. Want a personal reading? Reach out on the website, book one for yourself. Okay. And if you guys are really liking what I do, that is this thing, then I'll be doing it on a lot regular basis. Okay, so let's see where I'll post it on Instagram or YouTube. So let's see if it comes to like 1,000 likes this video. I'll be doing it a lot more. So yeah, thank you so much for coming in, finding the time to watch this video, and I hope to see you guys soon. Cheers, and stay blessed, stay you, and do not try to get affected by what your person does or doesn't do. Okay, see you soon.